Hey Lilian, welcome back to Mr. McDonald's classroom. Today we're going to be learning how to leap. First, we always want to stay safe, so make sure our shoes are tied, we have a clear open space in front of us so that we don't trip and fall. The only equipment you're going to need for today is a rope and a poly spot or a cone. I don't have that, so I'm using a water bottle. Okay? So when leaping kind of looks like this. Okay? We're going to leap over the rope. Okay? When we're leaping, we always want to make sure we look ahead. Okay? We don't want to look down at our feet, we want to look ahead. Okay? So we're going to leap over the rope 2 times together. Okay? Make sure we jump over the rope and look ahead. Okay? So let's do this together. Here we go. Now we're going to come back to the cone. Okay, now we're going to leap over the rope 2 times together. Okay? So we're going to start at the cone and make sure you leap over the rope, looking ahead. Okay? Here we go. And we're going to come back to the cone and do it one more time. Okay? Make sure you're looking ahead. Great job, Lilian. Now, when we're leaping, what direction do we look? Did you say ahead? Correct. We always want to look ahead when we're leaping. If you have any questions on this video, ask your teacher, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck! Hey Lilian, welcome back to Mr. McDonald's classroom for another video of leaping. First, we always want to stay safe, so make sure our shoes are tied and we have the clear open space in front of us so we don't trip and fall. The only equipment we're going to need for today are 2 ropes and a poly spot or a cone. If you don't have that, that's okay. I'm using a water bottle. Alright? So when we're leaping, we always want to make sure we stretch our arms and legs out. Okay? So when we leap, we stretch them out. Okay? So it's going to look something like this. Okay? Okay, Lilian, we're going to pretend in between the 2 ropes that there's a river. Right now, the ropes are near, but we want to jump over the river so we don't get wet. Okay? So we're going to do this 2 times together. Remember, make sure we stretch our arms and legs out. Okay? Here we go. Come back to the cone. We'll do it one more time. Make sure we're looking ahead and we stretch our arms and legs. Okay? Here we go. Okay, now we're going to move the ropes a little farther away from each other. So the river got a little bigger. But we still want to jump over so we don't get wet. Okay? So copy me. We're going to do it 2 times. Ready? Come back to the cone and do it one more time. Make sure we stretch those arms and legs out. Great job, Lilian. All right, Lilian. When we're leaping, what do we want to do with our arms and legs? We want to stretch them out. Correct. We always want to stretch our arms and legs when we're leaping. If you have any questions, ask your teacher, and I'll see you next week. Good luck.